you on paper owns 25 of that, and majority owner, the other 50% owner.
The pilot already said, Lindsay, that it's too late to put you on.
Well aware. I text the pilot. Everybody knew it.
You understand it? It's making the situation worse. And you're doing it in front of the children now.
111, 110.
本视频素材由 Law&Crime 提供，频道链接在视频下方。观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎来到紧张时刻。2023年7月16日，乔治亚州托马斯维尔市警局接到报警电话，报警人声称其丈夫对其使用暴力，希望警员前来协助。数名警员第一时间赶到现场进行处置。这是当地一处拥有7间卧室、价值约250万美元的独栋豪宅。报警的是这处豪宅的女主人，36岁的林赛。
Hey.
He's inside now.
Okay. So what's going on? Y'all are separated, or what's the deal?
We have filed for divorce.
Okay.
Living in the same house. It's hell on earth, as you can imagine.
Okay.
But anyway, woke up this morning. We have travel plans to leave.
Mhm.
And he's insisting that I don't go.
Okay.
And then I have my keys. He moves me out of the way, starts trying to unload my car. Tells me he owns the car, he owns the rights to it. Just got super aggressive, and that's when I called immediately because he's been physical before, and I'm just not doing that.
So are you just wanting to leave, or is he supposed to be going with you?
Yeah, we're supposed to be going with our kids.
Okay. All right.
So I don't know that's what I was asking dispatch, like what y'all can do if there's even, but of course now he's inside acting.
I mean, I don't know what it is that you want us to do. I mean, if y'all have filed for divorce and y'all are going on a vacation, other than telling him he needs to calm down, I don't personally recommend you go on a vacation if there's an issue like that and y'all have filed for divorce.
Right.
I mean, it's obviously a hostile situation.
Right.
So is there a way that you can go without him, or? I mean, the best thing, what we're going to do is tell y'all that y'all need to separate.
Right.
I mean, has he put his hands on you that, have y'all been physically aggressive today? I mean.
No, just besides him moving me out of the way of my car to get to it.
Okay, what do you mean he moved you out of the way?
Like pushed me out of the way so he could get to my car and start unloading it.
Okay, we're going to need to talk to him then.
林赛向警员表示，自己想要和丈夫以及3个孩子一起旅游，但是遭到了拒绝，并且丈夫强行要将自己车上的物品搬到另一辆车上，中间还发生了肢体接触。警员决定和丈夫展开交流，进一步了解详情。
Why are you filed for divorce and going to go on vacation together? I mean, that's not something that we can work out for you. I mean, because we're going to tell you to separate. Okay, so what's going on this morning?
So for the last 3 weeks, maybe longer, she's had her couples trip planned with her boyfriend to go to Key West.
Okay, but she just said you're going.
That was to Key West.
But they don't.
I'm taking my kids, my 3 boys, to the Bahamas this morning.
Our kids.
Our kids. Yesterday, she sent a message saying that she's going to change her plans and now get on the airplane with me and the kids to go to the Bahamas.
But I own too,
and
by the
when
way.
we land, she's going to go to her boyfriend.
Elsewhere.
And me and the kids are going to our house. And I've told her I'm not supporting that. And you're not getting on the airplane. That can mess with the kids' heads. And it's just something we're not going to do.
林赛的丈夫是38岁的罗伯特。罗伯特在几个月前发现了妻子已经延续了很久的婚外情，于2023年4月份向法院起诉离婚。 罗伯特此时向警员表示，林赛在3周前一直打算和情人去佛罗里达州的维基斯特岛旅游，而罗伯特则计划在今日带着自己的3个孩子去巴哈马自己买下的旅游胜地散心。但是就在昨晚，林赛临时改变了出行计划，要和罗伯特以及孩子们一起搭乘私人飞机去往巴哈马。到达目的地后，和情人直接在巴哈马游玩。罗伯特认为林赛作为母亲和孩子们一起坐飞机，但是到达目的地后却和另外一个男人分道扬镳，这样的情景会对孩子们的身心产生十分不利的影响，因此坚决不同意林赛乘坐私人飞机。
50% of an airplane. She, on paper, owns 25 of that, and majority owner, the other 50% owner, and myself are both in agreement to not have her on the airplane. So 75% says we don't want you on the plane.
这架私人飞机由3人共同拥有，罗伯特和林赛各拥有25%的股份，另一人拥有剩下的50%的股份。罗伯特的父亲艾伦是一家名为 Flowers Foods 公司的 CEO。Flowers Foods 是包装烘焙食品的生产商和销售商，该公司经营着47个面包店，生产面包、面包卷、点心、蛋糕、玉米饼等。产品通过覆盖全美各地的商店直接进行配送，或在全国范围内配送到零售商的仓库。Flowers Foods 公司的市值高达50亿美元。而此时的罗伯特是一家人寿保险公司的执行副总裁。
That doesn't mean you get aggressive, push me out of the way, start unloading my car.
Push you out of the way?
Yes, at the back of the car.
Okay. Lindsay, I did not push you or anything.
He doesn't want me to go.
I raised the back to grab my kids' suitcases.
With a locked car.
So we could leave. That's all it is.
Okay. I'm going to tell you both, like I told you a minute ago, y'all are filed for divorce, okay? In situations like this, the best thing that we always recommend is y'all separate. Don't just separate from each other. You don't need to be going on vacation together if you file for divorce and it's obviously a volatile situation.
That's
Right.
That, I mean, I don't know how else to put it other than that, okay? As far as the pushing and shoving, say Georgia advises that you put your hands on each other, that is an act of simple assault, and you can be arrested on that for family violence. Okay? You're saying you did, he's saying you didn't. So I got. I can't sit here. It's a he said, she said situation. We run into it all the time. So what's gonna?
All of the people that I know, if I'm an aggressive or abusive person.
You want me to show him the photos?
Okay, so here's what's going to happen today. I'm going to generate a report that we were out here and that we made contact with the both of you. I'm going to generate a report that states you said he physically moved you away from the vehicle by pushing you away from the vehicle. You say, I didn't do that. I opened the back hatch of the vehicle, got suitcases out.
Suitcase and she stepped in front saying you're not grabbing them and moved me out of the way.
Exactly. And
I move you, Robert, for God's sake.
that we're not going to go back and forth. That's how we're going to do that. My next, I mean, I can't tell her she can't go on vacation with you. Okay, it's marital property. That's that.
Pilot already said.
Okay, it's all gonna that's all gonna be civil issues. I can't stop her. I can't say you can't go wherever the heck it is you want to go. I can't tell you. You can tell. That has nothing to do with what we're doing here. We're here because of acts of violence, to calm the situation. That's what we're here to do. Okay, I can't control y'all going on vacation. I don't recommend going on vacation together, but that's just my personal.
I agree with that.
It's just an hour on an airplane, just
Okay.
with our kids.
Do you have any identification on you?
I do.
Okay, can I get that, please? Do you have your ID on you?
I do.
Mr. Shriver, what's your phone number?
9. Now, since I own this vehicle and it's solely in my name.
It's marital property right now. She still has access to it.
Okay, I understand she has access to it, but can I not get my kids' suitcases out of the back?
Yes.
You can get your children's property
That's
out
what
of
I
it.
So he can get the kids' stuff out of my car.
It's marital property.
Thank you.
And I don't have any paperwork saying that he's not allowed access to the children's property.
He's just not able to move me out of the way to get it. Right.
Again, he said, she said.
I'm still going, Robert, so you can take...
Pilot already said, Lindsay, that it's too late to put you on.
And that's, he has to pick up the other owner after he drops us, so we can't be late.
334. 714.
Here's your ID back.
Thank you.
About what time this morning did all this start?
7 a.m.
So you're supposed to be going to the...
She was supposed to be going to Key West and cancel.
Well aware, I text the pilot. Everybody knew it.
Okay.
He's just being extremely difficult. Which, that's nothing freaking new.
Okay, so are you leaving now?
I have to go get my kids.
Okay, all right.
There's two that are at other places.
Okay, all right. Like I said, my only recommendation for you is that y'all just separate.
Well, it's always just going to be a he said, she said.
I mean, you get video footage, you have surveillance cameras, you have something that I can look at and say, yes, he put his hands on you. I mean, you know, we have an independent witness that's non-biased. I mean, you know, something, other statements. But right now I have you and him, and, you know, he's saying one thing, you're saying another, you know. I mean, if it's this type of situation, y'all just need to separate. I mean, just don't be around each other if it's going to be like this.
So how do we do that with 3 kids?
All right, where are you at? Are you at the cops?
So now I'm able to get my kids' stuff back out of the vehicle.
Okay, why are we doing this, though? Why do you need to do that?
Well, because he's taking my kids.
So we're going to go back and so we're going to stand here while y'all go back and forth moving suitcases back and
But
forth
that's what
between
I'm saying.
cars.
So that's what's just happened.
If that's what you feel like you need to do, then by all means do it. But you understand it's making the situation worse, and you're doing it in front of the children now. I don't.
Well, I'll go get Grayson.
I can take a note.
I just said I'm going to get Grayson,
You heard me say the pilot said it's too late to
and
act.
I'm going to get Grayson.
虽然丈夫表示飞行员已经明确说明出发时间很赶了，自己接另外一个孩子会更快些，但此时林赛不断坚称要自己去接另外一个孩子，仿佛在用孩子作为一个筹码，作为一个可以牵制住罗伯特的筹码。
Okay, wait right here. I got to get you both case number. Okay.
随后，警员写下了出警记录，并将其分别交给林赛和罗伯特两人。
This is your case number 2023-27264. There's information in here if you need anything else. Okay.
Okay. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to generate a miscellaneous family violence report. This is your case number, the 2023-27264. If you have any questions, you can call to the Justice Center and speak to an officer. So. Okay. All right.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Y'all have a better day. Money.
哎呀，最后警员看着这绿油油的大草坪，也是不禁感叹道：“真有钱呐！”最终，林赛还是没能坐上罗伯特的私人飞机，自己单独乘坐飞机前往了巴哈马。然而，该案在此次出警的5天后，也就是2023年7月21日，迎来了惊天大逆转。林赛因涉嫌雇凶杀夫被警方逮捕，被一同逮捕的还有28岁的贝塞尔以及29岁的纽博尔特。2007年，林赛和罗伯特结识，两人已经结婚了13年，育有3个孩子。然而，林赛后来婚内出轨，情人便是比其年轻8岁的贝塞尔。2023年7月20日，在一家酒吧工作的贝塞尔报警声称，酒吧的保险柜被盗。在警方调查过程中，由于担心嫌犯是店内人员，于是强行要求查看报警人贝塞尔的手机。 随后发现了惊人的一幕，只见林赛、贝塞尔以及贝塞尔的好友纽波尔特组成群聊，密谋杀害自己的丈夫罗伯特。林赛还单独发给纽波尔特一张罗伯特的照片，并配上杀了他的指令。而动手的地点正是先前警员出警时他们声称要去的目的地巴哈马。林赛在巴哈马监狱关押了19天后，缴纳了10万美元的保释金，被保释出狱，同时强制佩戴了电子脚镣以及没收美国护照。另外2名男子的保释金额均为2万美元。一旦林赛被当地检察官证实雇凶杀夫成立，将面临最高60年的刑期。此案一经公开，立即引起了轩然大波。有网友表示，林赛就是想利用孩子作为筹码来不断牵制住丈夫，好在离婚时最大化自己的利益。还有网友表示，在警员出警当天，参照林赛的表现，无论如何也不会想到她正在紧锣密鼓的计划在巴哈马要置自己的丈夫、孩子的亲生父亲于死地，这该有多么恶毒的心肠啊！观众朋友们，你们对此案又有什么样的看法呢？请在评论区留言。